I'm Angela Calhoun, and I am opening up a Angela Senior Concierge business for seniors. Once I started reading about SCORE, I knew they're all about women being in business and being empowered. So I felt like if I was to go there, I would learn from a lot of women that are trying to do exactly what I'm doing, and that's make a difference in the world. And I think women are so powerful, but we don't get the recognition. So my goal is to work with SCORE so I can help others in the future and promote SCORE to other business women that are getting ready to start their own business. It is a beautiful thing, I tell you. I've learned a lot. Being among all these women, listening to all these very professional women that are doing what we're trying to do, I would recommend it because it's gonna brighten you, enlighten you, and teach you that you can do it. There's no reason not to. I would definitely recommend SCORE because once you get in the door, it's welcoming. They welcome you, they teach you in that short length of time how to become a good professional business owner without being afraid to step outside of your box. That's why I would definitely recommend SCORE.